Hello and welcome to this tutorial video. I want to show you the different mounting possibilities for the Balluff Smart Reordering sensor. With the sensor you get this Velcro, which is a very easy way to mount the sensor in your application. As well, you can use cable ties or even double-sided tapes. When you are sure that the sensor is mounted in the right position, you have to fix it with a system like this, or you find a huge variety of different flexible mounting systems on the Balluff homepage. For example, the 12mm or this system with a diameter of 30mm. In another tutorial, we will show you the very easy setup of the sensor. Please feel free to join. Thanks for watching. Bye.